Alrighty guys, so I am going to jump right in and prime my eyes with some concealer. This is just a e.l.f. concealer, nothing special. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelid with that, and then I am going to pat it down evenly with a flat synthetic haired brush. So I am using the Dare to Create palette by Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and go into this brown shade right here. I'm going to just start off by packing that onto the outer third of my eye, and I'm going to kind of mold it into a C shape or a V shape on the outer third and above my natural crease line, which you guys will see. I'm just packing it on right now, and I did not set my concealer, so I'm just packing it on, and then I am going to blend out the edges. So right here I am just using a small fluffy brush by Morphe, and I'm just using it to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go back in and pack some more of the brown on. So finishing off some blending, and then I'm going back into this brown shade, and I am just adding a little bit more in the same fashion to the outer third of my eye and above my crease. Now I'm going back in with that white fluffy brush, and I'm just blending even further. I just want the color to be like as seamless as possible on the edges, but I want to leave it as dark as possible where I put the color down. So I'm just going back in, blending until I'm content. So now I'm taking that same brown and packing it on one more time, and then I'm going to do one final blend as well, which you guys will see here in a minute. So now I'm taking a small amount of concealer on this synthetic haired Wet n Wild flat brush, and I'm going to cut my crease with this. I'm just stamping the concealer onto my eyelid right above my natural crease, and I just found that this way, like this, just stamping it on instead of like trying to swipe it or whatever, is really easy. And it also gives you like the most perfect cut crease, like you guys will see. This was my first time trying it, but I really do like this like method of cutting the crease. So now I am just patting down this area before I set it and making sure that I don't have any creases. Then I am taking this cream colored shadow. You guys can use any cream colored shadow, but this is from the Athena palette from Bad Habit Beauty. I got it on shophush.com. I'm just setting down the cut crease with that. Now I'm using a gold shade out of the Makeup Revolution Flawless 2 palette, and I sprayed my brush with this Mario Badescu spray, and I am just swiping that onto my lid where I cut my crease. taking this brown shade again on another flat brush, and I am just blending the edges of those two shadows. Dipping back in one more time, and I'm just trying to deepen this up as much as possible. Alrighty, now I am taking this Maybelline Metallic Gold liner, and I am just putting that all over my lid, just swiping it all over. I really feel like this brought the look together and made it more holiday and festive, so I really, really love this step. Now I am just letting that dry down as much as possible, and then I am patting over it with the same brush that I put the gold shade from the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm patting it down with that same exact brush, but I didn't put any extra eyeshadow on there. Now I am taking this small angle detail brush, and I'm taking this chocolatey brown shade right here. I'm just putting a thin line right across my lash line just to help my eyelashes blend better whenever I put my false lashes on. So off camera, I applied these So Wispy lashes by Kiss. I love how they look. They're super natural, but they're still like perfect for holiday. Like, they're just freaking perfect. I love them. Then I am putting the two brown shades that we used on my lower lash line, and I am tight lining with a black liner and putting the same black liner in my waterline. Now I am just finishing everything off with this Fenty Beauty Senna Lip Paint in Uncensored. I love this lipstick so much. It is so nice, and I love the formula. I think that this just tied everything together so beautifully. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed and you have an amazing holiday. Definitely don't forget to thumbs this video up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next one.